Hello everyone, welcome to this important video. There are things that a ChatGPT user should avoid doing to prevent their account from getting banned. I found these from the terms and policies of OpenAI's website, so I wanted you to have a look. Log on to platform.openai.com, use your ChatGPT username and password, click your organization name. By default, it is personal, and then click Terms and Policies. Now, at first glance, it looks like these terms and policies are quite short, right? Well, on the left-hand side, they have more links. So I wanted you to have a look at all of these. You could do that in detail in your free time, but the one that I wanted to show you is usage policy. And they have a disallowed usage section. As a concerned fellow user of ChatGPT, my intention with this video is to share my findings with you and help you have an awesome experience. So you can read about these and you can expand these options and read them in detail. And I'd suggest if you have doubts or questions about these guidelines, the OpenAI team is best equipped to help you. To contact OpenAI, you can log on to platform.openai.com with your ChatGPT username and password, then click Help, Messages, send us a message. From here, select ChatGPT, and I'll show you the entire workflow because first they'd ask you that, hey, did you check the blogs? And you could say, I have a different question. Then they want to be sure that you have searched the Help Center, but no. If you're reporting a bug or errors, you can select this one, but we want to provide feedback. If you click feedback on ChatGPT, notice what happens. They're going to direct you to this thing. So wait a few seconds. Another option is going to pop up. There we go. You can go back. And then what kind of feedback? This time we have general feedback. Now you'll see a text box here, and you can write whatever you're concerned about, your questions, your doubts, and you can send them a message. So there you have it, my friends. By knowing what you can and cannot do on ChatGPT, you can keep your account safe and everyone's experience on the platform awesome. And if you find someone involved in these, please be a good ninja and report it to OpenAI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and we'll keep leveling up your ChatGPT ninja skills.